Mastering the possessive. Identify and use possessive nouns and pronouns. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting part of English grammar, possessive nouns and pronouns. Mastering the possessive case will help you express ownership and relationships in English with ease. Let's unravel this together. Before we dive into our exercises, let's briefly recap what possessive nouns and pronouns are. A possessive noun is a noun that shows ownership or association. To form the possessive of most singular nouns, we simply add an apostrophe and an s. For example, dog's bone or Michael's book. Possessive pronouns, on the other hand, replace the noun. They indicate to whom or to what something belongs. Examples include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Our first exercise will focus on identifying possessive nouns in sentences. Remember, we're looking for nouns that denote ownership or association. Example sentence: This is my mother's car. Here, mother's is a possessive noun, showing that the car belongs to the mother. Now, let's move on to identifying possessive pronouns in sentences. These pronouns replace the noun and show to whom or to what something belongs. Example sentence: This car is hers. In this sentence, hers is a possessive pronoun, indicating that the car belongs to a previously mentioned woman. We're now going to mix it up a bit. Your task is to identify both the possessive nouns and possessive pronouns in the sentences. This will help solidify your understanding of these concepts. Example sentence: That's my brother's bike, but this one is mine. In this sentence, brothers is a possessive noun and mine is a possessive pronoun. That wraps up our exercise on identifying possessive nouns and pronouns. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language concept. So, try to identify possessive nouns and pronouns in your daily conversations and readings. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.